Hello, welcome. It's Trisha here from Passive Income today, and I'm going to show you how to create your own ChatGPT AI assistant for your niche. Now, just a few minutes ago, before I made this video, I actually went through and built one from start to scratch, and it's called PuppyPal. It's super easy to do. Let me show you two things that you need to get started with. You need to log into ChatGPT and then type in the /GPTs. That's the ChatGPT Store. It was only launched just a couple of weeks ago. And then we're going to head over to Create GPT, and when you have a look at this, you will see there are a ton of questions here to answer, but we're going to go over to the Create field, and this is where all the magic starts. Building an AI tool before this ChatGPT Store got started was a really expensive exercise. You would need to have a team of developers and coders, and there would be a whole range of activities that would happen. Now OpenAI has developed to such a point that they're able to offer you this opportunity to build your own ChatGPT AI assistants in just a few minutes, and it's super easy to do, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So I have created this. I just want to say, when you start in the create section, you go through and you tell them what you want, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let's go back to my GPTs, and the one I just created now is called PuppyPal. I'm just going to pause this for 1 second. Now this is PuppyPal, the AI assistant that will help you look after a brand new puppy that you bring home to your family. This AI assistant is ready to go, and it's available to the public. There's a couple of ways that you can monetize this tool, and actually one of them, if you are serious about making money online, I think you're going to find it really interesting. So the first way is, if you are someone that sells products in this niche for puppies, you can create an AI tool and you can answer a bunch of questions and help the person that's in it, and then you can direct them to an Amazon store, to an affiliate link that you have, and they can purchase the products and you earn a commission. So that's one way. The second way is you can create a subscription model, and by doing so, you're able to charge people to access your tool, whether it's through a private membership or a group. And the third way is to simply have it available free on the ChatGPT store for everyone to access, but when they're giving the answers, also provide links to affiliate products that you may be selling, or informational courses or programs, or even services that you're providing, whether it be offline or online. So let's see how this all works. This is the AI tool as it is completed now. We're going to go over to PuppyPal and we're going to edit this GPT. Now, before I was showing you how to create it, you would just go through here, and the first question is you would type in, help me create a AI assistant tool that helps people do XYZ. Really simple. And then it will go through a range of questions, and then it'll populate this, and I added some extra questions here that I would like the GPT to ask someone from start to scratch. So this is the tool as it is right now. So let's just save this. And what we're going to do together is we're going to make another GPT. I'm going to put this link below so you can take a look. Okay. And this time, we're going to go to create, help people who buy a new kitten, how to care for it and make it happy in its new home. Now, I've asked this GPT to basically create a guide, a list of questions, some information for new pet owners that are bringing a kitten home. So we've done the puppy, now we're doing the kitten. You can do this on any niche and any topic. It's truly up to you. And actually, I can show you several of the ones that I've already created. If you want to go ahead and try them on the ChatGPT store, it's totally free. Great. Okay, help people who get a new kitten. Great, your GPT will be a helpful guide for people who have new kittens. Can we call it Kitten Care Companion? No, I want to do Kitten Pal. Oh, Kitten Care. So now it's updating. See, the GPT tool will go through a range of questions with you. It'll ask you if you like a name, and then it will create an image, which is like a logo or a favicon for your GPT, which is great. If you don't like the image, you can ask it to recreate something different. And then the next steps, we're going to talk about the behaviors. So we're starting to shape the AI assistant. We want to mold this assistant to be something, oh, that's cute. Yes, this is fine. So we want to mold this assistant to answer in a certain way. So we're going to talk about, we're going to ask it to talk about things around the tone that it responds, the sort of the, I think empathy is a big one, to show some empathy to the new kitten owner, to show a genuine interest, and to provide general information advice for kitten owners. Okay, we are wanting this AI tool to focus on kitten care and also how to create DIY fun and engaging activities at home to do with a kitten. So now, as this is going through, it's starting to build it out. And you can see here on the right hand side, it's created some questions already. Isn't that sweet? If you wanted to go onto Google Bard, which is a totally different AI tool, you could do some research with Google Bard, and you can, formulate some of these behaviors and some of the things you'd like to see, and you could copy paste that into this AI tool to populate it really quickly. The more information that you put into this, the better the result will be. Language, tone, and style should be caring, thoughtful, and empathetic. Oh my gosh. So this GPT, imagine if you were building a Lego kit and you had the plastic green board at the bottom, and then you had each piece you're adding on top of each other, and that's the house, and you're building, and that's what the GPT is doing right now. So it's formulating the foundations, now it's putting up the windows, and then it's going to put the roof and the garden, and we're good to go. Please ask the user at least 3 questions about their kitten, including the kitten's name, because then address the answers including this name. One of the best ways to engage with anyone, especially on AI tools, is to use the person's name. And if you can get a kitten owner who's obviously very excited to have a new, pet in the house, to use the name in that response, you can really, create a lot of joy and happiness, and it's a recognition. So on a very subconscious level, it's very personal. Okay, finally, let's discuss personalization. Should kitten care adapt its responses based on the user's experience level with pets? Yes, we should do that. So you keep going, keep adding more questions. I think that for the purpose of this activity, that's enough. And let's go over to configure. Now, it has already pre-written some information here. You can edit this and change it. This is what people will see. What is your kitten's name? How old is your kitten? What type of activities would you like to do with your kitten? Can my kitten go outside? Okay, that's good. So once you're done, you just press save, publishing it to everyone, anyone with a link or only me. If you were going to make this a monetized product and sell it as a subscription to a group, you would go with anyone with a link. If you want to make this as a public option for a GPT, so anyone can access it, and you want to monetize it through affiliate links to the Amazon store or products or anything else, you would make it available to everyone and you would upload those files. Or if you only want it for yourself, you just publish it to you. So let's go publish. And then you also need to pick a category. Let's get rid of my picture there. And then we're in lifestyle. Okay, so here we go. We are now in the ChatGPT for kitten care. And you can see there's a range of questions here. Now, as a user of kitten care, you can ask a question. I have a new kitten. Her name is Polly, and I don't know how to make an activity for her. Can you give me some ideas? And then the person starts using the AI assistant, super easy, and it'll give you some answers. And then there's an interaction, and this interaction can go on and on between two parties. Can you see the power of this if you have this on your website, or if this is something that you share with your audience who's in the pet business, or maybe you're someone who trains kittens, or maybe you're a vet and you want to have something interesting that people can interact with? This is a really great tool. So I remembered before that you probably want to also find out how to find this in the store. So always go back to the ChatGPT store and just type in here a search, and let's just type in kitten. So if you're looking for a kitten care, here's a brand new one today. Kitten, Discord kitten, AI kitten, puppy. PuppyPal, this is the one that I created today. And there you go. It's so easy, isn't it? Now, the other question is, how do you share it? Super easy. Now you've got this open, just go to copy link, URL, and then you just share that with someone, and then you're good to go. Okay. The other one I would like to show you are some other GPTs that I've created. If you want to have some fun and make this activity for yourself when you've got time, these are the GPTs I currently have. So I have Kitten Care, PuppyPal. By the way, none of these are monetized for anything in particular. I was just learning about ChatGPT in the store, and I was practicing and making some new GPT ideas. And I wanted to share these with you because I thought that you're a smart person and you might have some fun creating your own GPTs. So if you type in manifest your best life, minimalism, affiliate advisor, any of these, you'll be able to find them. Okay? So that is that for now. I hope you found this really awesome. Stay tuned because I have something really exciting coming up called Commissionable, and it's a new program that I'm involved with the at the back end and in the community, and it's so much fun. I want to share that with you, how you can make money online with passive income today. Have a great day.